Meera today has less than 1000 followers on social media. Still, she's able to make 8 lakhs of business per month in her service business. So today's framework will help you understand how you can start selling even with less followers on social media. To start selling, you actually don't need followers. You need people whom you can give service. That is, leads are more important. Our followers are the people who are buying your products. The answer is literally no. They buy you, not just your product or service. How this personal brand is helping your business. And till this personal brand grows with 6 months or 8 months or 12 months of the time, you cannot stay zero in your business. 0 followers, 0 clients, and 0 revenue. That's what was the story of Meera, one of my clients, some 60 days back. Only to realize that she couldn't make sales just because she doesn't have followers on social media. No proper websites to land clients on, no proper lead generation funnels. But she was making a big mistake. And today, in this 10-minute video, I'm going to bisect that framework that I literally used with Meera to generate profits in her business without even having any good following on social media. Hi, I am Coach Sakshi, and my job as a business coach is to help service businesses build premium layers within their business. And we do this by adding premium products. Now, when we add premium products or premium services to your business model, we also see to it that you start generating profits. And that too right from the first month that you start working with us. This framework that I'm going to explain today has literally helped Meera to grab clients without even getting any followers on social media. Now, isn't that amazing? Because most of the time, when you go to any of the coaches, any of the consultants, or any of the people taking help or advice, they will normally advise you to start a personal brand, which is not wrong. You can definitely start a personal brand. But on the other hand, we also need to see how this personal brand is helping your business. And till this personal brand grows with 6 months or 8 months or 12 months of the time, you cannot stay zero in your business. And this is the mistake that most of the business owners make when they start. If you are someone who's starting and you have started your personal brand, don't wait for your personal brand to grow. Instead, start selling. So today's framework will help you understand how you can start selling even with less followers on social media. Meera today has less than 1000 followers on social media. Still, she's able to make 8 lakhs of business per month in her service business. And this is only possible with the right kind of sales framework that we had set for her. Well, let's just discuss this framework today, because I'm sure this framework is going to help you understand yourself better, and with this give the right kind of service to the right kind of client, thereby grabbing money in your business. The first thing in this framework is to have a mindset shift. You just not only need to sell, but you need to give consulting. You need to advise someone. You need to give the solution of the problem that people are looking for. And then you need to understand what is it? What is the amount that people can pay for that solution? Normally, we run this technique the other way around, where we feel that let me tag a service and to that attach a tag of price, where I will see to it that the client pays it. But it doesn't work that way. It works the other way around, where you try to identify the problem first. Then you go into the solution that you can offer, and that makes it exclusive out of the other services that already exist in the market. And only after that you attach a price tag to it. So this is the mindset shift that you will require in order to start selling, even if you don't have a large number of following. Because to start selling, you actually don't need followers. You need people whom you can give service. That is, leads are more important. बट अब आपके दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन आएगा कि अगर मेरे पास लीड्स है ही नहीं या फॉलोअर्स है ही नहीं, तो मैं किसे बेचूं? Whom should I sell to? Well, क्या जब सोशल मीडिया नहीं था तो क्या सेलिंग होती नहीं थी? लेट्स गो बैक टू द ओल्ड टाइम्स. सेल्स वॉज ऑलवेज देयर. Even though when we started with barter systems, we ensured that there were exchange of products happening between people, and that's how trade started. But as civilizations grew, money became the core factor, and everyone started trading in terms of money and currency. Now, let's take one step ahead and think about it. Our followers are the people who are buying your products. The answer is literally no. They buy you, not just your product or service. Even after having the shift in mindset, what is the next thing that you should practice? The next thing that you need to practice is having a skill audit. The skill audit for yourself works like wonders. We have done with approximately 800 plus business owners, and this has helped us crack their skill to offer the right kind of services that they can give to their clients. Well, skill audit is just simple, and you can do it right away with me. So grab a paper and a pen and do it right away. Write down the skills that you have that others or your clients won't have. Okay, now just don't think about the clients. Think about any other people that don't have those skills that you have. List down those skills on paper. Now, they could be 5, they could be 8, they could be 10. Just list them down without thinking anything else. Next, think about the knowledge that you have. All the knowledge that you have gathered throughout the years, the experiences that you have had in life are all valuable to other people because you have had it personal and you have learned something from there. So all your learnings can actually help people in a consulting business or in a service business. So just list them down too. And then try to understand the problem solution framework. That is, what is the kind of problem that other people are facing and what is the solution that I can give with my skills, with my knowledge, with my understanding, with my life experiences. What is it that I can add to other people's lives? Now, combining all of this helps you do a skill audit for yourself. And when you do this, you realize that there'll be some problem in someone's life that you can solve. Now, it could be a part of their life, it could be a part of their mind or body, it could be a part of their business or technology for that matter. You just need to understand what is the part of someone's life that you can help with. After understanding this and after taking the skill audit, the next thing that comes into picture is the conversation framework, where people normally tell me, how do I converse? How do I talk to people? Because I don't know them. They are strangers to me. Well, let me tell you, even your followers are strangers to you. Even the email list is a stranger to you. The cold emails that land up to your inbox or the cold email databases that you have are strangers to you. Everyone around that you approach is going to be stranger for you. Now, the things that you need to change is that you need to try and understand that how you can make these strangers your friends who can talk to you, who can converse with you. Most of the times we end up sending emails and messages which are sales centric. Now, you don't need to do this, because if you do that, there is a resistance that builds in from the other side. The people start taking you as someone else in the industry, and we don't want you to be that. We want you to be exclusive. So if you want to be exclusive, here's a simple framework that you can follow. This framework works wonders for conversation. And you know what? By the end of this video, I'm also going to share a link to download a document where I have exactly listed down how this framework works. There is a template that you can fill for yourself and get the audit done within 5 minutes just by sitting on your computer. So if you want to try this, don't miss on that document. Now, let's go further and understand the conversation framework, because I said you cannot do sales on conversations. Then what are you actually supposed to do? So here are 3 things that you need to do. 1, start talking and asking them a lot of questions. Asking questions to people helps you dive into their life, and only then you understand what is the problem that you can solve. Because in some cases, while you are in this initial stage of conversation, you will understand that sometimes the person is not the right fit to become your client. He cannot become your client, and if he cannot, don't force them by adding some other services thinking कि मैं इसको कुछ तो बेच देता हूँ, because कुछ भी बेच देना ये exclusivity नहीं होती. Exclusivity वो होती है जो आप खुद से बेच सकते हो, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू ऑल्सो हैव नॉलेज, स्किल्स एंड लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस कंबाइंड टू मेक इट एज अ वैल्यूएबल सर्विस फॉर योर क्लाइंट. सो डोंट मेक एनीवन योर क्लाइंट. जब आप फर्स्ट इनिशियल कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो आपका काम है उस पर्सन को फिल्टर करना, इज द पर्सन राइट और नॉट, and only then move forward with the further conversation. The second part of the conversation is to give solutions to the problem. जैसे ही आपको लगता है कि ये एक particular problem है जो आप उस particular पर्सन के लिए सॉल्व कर सकते हो, द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू अप्रोच विथ इज सोल्यूशंस. सोल्यूशंस के साथ जब आप एक अप्रोच करते हो तो नॉर्मली आप उनको वैल्यू, नॉलेज और लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस का कॉम्बिनेशन देना स्टार्ट करते हो. इट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इमेजेस, इट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्मॉल PDFs, इट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ emails, इट ऑल्सो कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ WhatsApp messages. So don't be afraid to start the conversation. Don't be afraid to add value thinking कि ये मेरे पास क्यों आएगा अगर मैंने सारी वैल्यू अभी दे दी तो, बिकॉज वो आपके पास आएगा क्योंकि आप उसको वैल्यू दे रहे हैं. यहीं पर मोस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस ओनर्स मिस्टेक्स करते हैं कि अगर मैंने सारा वैल्यू अभी दे दिया, अगर मैंने ये बता दिया कि हम कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर से काम करते हैं, अगर मैंने ये बता दिया कि हम किस तरीके से काम करते हैं, तो वो तो किसी और से जाके करवा लेगा. वेल, ऐसा नहीं होता, क्योंकि जब आप ये बताते हैं कि आप किस तरीके से किसी एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम को हैंडल करते हैं, तो क्लाइंट को आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट आता है कि आप ट्रस्टेबल हैं, आप नॉलेजेबल हैं और आप एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं इन तरीके की प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए. इस तरीके से डील क्लोजिंग फास्ट हो सकती है. नाउ द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन इज शेयरिंग योर प्रपोजल्स. क्योंकि जैसे ही क्लाइंट को समझ आ जाता है कि यू आर द राइट पर्सन जहाँ पे आप उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व आउट कर सकते हो, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट विल कम फ्रॉम क्लाइंट विल बी हाउ मच इट विल कॉस्ट मी. एंड रिमेंबर, जब तक क्लाइंट आपसे सामने से कॉस्ट नहीं पूछता है, आप उसको कॉस्ट नहीं बताएंगे, आप पैसों की बात नहीं करेंगे. ओनली द टाइम व्हेन दे आस्क यू व्हाट विल बी द कॉस्ट अटैच्ड टू दिस सर्विस, that's the time you have to start hitting the nail on the wall. Yes, एक वॉल जैसे बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, वैसे ही क्लाइंट अपने प्री कंसीव नोशंस के साथ आता है. पहले से उसको कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं जिनके साथ वो आपके पास आता है. तो इन एक्सपीरियंसेस को ब्रेक करना बहुत मुश्किल है. आप इस वॉल को ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते, बट आप उस वॉल में एक नेल डाल सकते हैं जहाँ पे उसको एक फोकस पॉइंट मिल सकता है सोचने के लिए. तो आपको करना क्या है, जब आपको प्रपोजल्स शेयर करने हैं, आप प्रपोजल्स रिटन फॉर्म में नहीं शेयर करेंगे. आप या तो उनसे मिलने जाएंगे या उन्हें लाइव कॉल पे बुलाएंगे, वेयर यू कैन डायरेक्टली इंटरैक्ट विद देम. अगेन, telephonic conversations not a good idea for closing a deal, because there you can't show what work you have done. Always meet people in person or call them on a virtual call where you can show them what you have done. This allows the person to think deeper why they need you as their vendor. So just think about it. Will this framework really help you? Well, I am sure this framework will help, as it has helped 800 plus entrepreneurs who have already created the skill audit for themselves. Now, let's go to the last part of this video today, where I just want to break down the closures of how you can make closures even if you don't have a social media following. Because most of the time it happens कि लोग आपसे पूछते हैं, अच्छा फिर आपकी वेबसाइट है, आपके फॉलोअर्स कितने हैं? But let me tell you, once you start adding the value, followers doesn't matter. You can always say we are growing brand, we are still growing. हम अभी भी build कर रहे हैं, and every level और every month on month we are just trying to grow ourselves. जब आप इस तरीके से बोलते हैं और अगर आप वही ग्रोथ अपने सोशल मीडिया में दिखा रहे हैं, वेबसाइट पे दिखा रहे हैं, तो ईजी हो जाता है किसी के लिए भी उस चीज़ को बिलीव करना. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली, इससे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि आपने किन क्लाइंट्स के साथ काम कर रहा है. बट अगर आपके पास एक क्लाइंट भी नहीं है, एक सक्सेस स्टोरी भी नहीं है, तो भी आप इस सेल्स फॉर्मूला को अपना सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन मेक प्रॉफिट्स जस्ट बाय गिविंग पीपल द सर्विसेज दैट दे वांट फॉर फ्री फॉर सम टाइम. नाउ दिस क्लोजिंग टेक्निक्स हेल्प्स यू बिकॉज आपके पास पुराने क्लाइंट्स नहीं हैं, तो आप उनको हमेशा एक टाइमलाइन बेस्ड रिजल्ट दे सकते हैं, जहां आप उन्हें बोल सकते हैं कि ये रिजल्ट इतने दिनों में आएगा एंड इतने दिन तक मैं आपसे कुछ भी फीस नहीं लूँगा या लूँगी करूँगी, एंड उसके बाद एज सून एज द रिजल्ट्स कम इन आई विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग माई फी. नाउ दिस becomes a very convenient factor for the person to trust you, and this really work wonders for the first timers. So if you are a first timer, this is the right time. Go down below, check the description, you will get the guide. Just go, download, fill the form, get a skill audit for yourself, design the right framework, and start moving ahead. And if you want me to personally help you with this framework, do not forget to book a call given down below in the PDF. That's for now. I'll see you in another video. Signing off, Coach Sakshi.